mistakes fix you need to fix now. In this video, I'll exactly show you the five trading mistakes that every beginner traders make in forex, without spending hours of realizing these mistakes. Stick to the end so you can avoid them. The first one, listen me out clearly. Stop loss is a law. If you remove it, the market will punish you as the law does. So avoid this mistake, or the market will punish you. The second step that every trader do it, that every beginner trader do it, even I did, moving your stop loss all the time. When you see it's hitting, the candle is hitting your target, you simply move it. TP is the thing you should not be moving. It's a target to be hit to the profit. If the candle is hitting the TP and you keep going up and up, that's being greedy. And if you keep putting up and up, maybe the market will go the opposite way. It will show you the lesson that you deserve. So you should never ever be greedy in the market, or you will be punished hard from the market. The third thing that almost every beginner do, and I do, is putting big risk reward. Listen me out. Risk reward is a protection for your capital. If you put the higher you put the risk, your capital is in a big danger. It's like when terrorists put one tweet, it ruins your trade, right? Same here. If the more you put the risk, the more your capital is in risk. The lesser you put the risk, the lesser your capital is in risk. Check out my short on YouTube. It's my risk management system which I use. Don't overtrade. Do you think that pro trader overtrade? That's why they're rich? They are not rich because of that reason. If they do overtrade, then their account must have been demolished. It's their mindset. I have made a video about the mindset that I even use, and rest of the traders do use it. Go check it out. Never trade when is a news. Listen me out. If you trade when there's a news coming, you should never trade, or your full day will be ruined and your trade will be ruined. Because whenever a news come, the market go crazy, really crazy. It starts making really big candles. So you should never ever trade when it is a news coming. So this is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe so I can make more video about forex trading and help you how to improve your skills in forex trading. I believe in you all, that you all can become a pro trader in forex trading. My name is Ahmed Zulkarnain. Good job. I'm the CEO of Leo Traders.